Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MP780 printer software on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MP780 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon domain. This is Canon support for PIXMA MP780. Select that. And now on this page, you should have a little picture of your printer over here on the side. You want to go down underneath Downloads and expand the Software and Drivers section and select the My Printer file in here and select Download. And once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open it up. It should be a verified publisher from Canon Inc. Select Yes. You can close out of the browser and then proceed with the installation guide you see on my screen here. You want to accept all the terms. And then you can create a desktop shortcut, select Complete, and then hopefully you should be good to go at this point. If you're having any further issues, you can go underneath that printer, and then by selecting Diagnose and Repair Printer, you can walk through troubleshooting guides of how to try and connect your printer to your computer if you're still having any issues here. But you should not, and that should hopefully not be necessary in your case. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.